beautifully fragrant, golden on the outside, moist, fluffy and soft on the inside. Today I'll show you how I make these easy, plant-based banana bread muffins. For the dry ingredients, I'm using whole wheat flour. Baking powder and baking soda help the muffins rise and create a light, fluffy texture. Next comes cinnamon. I love it, so I added 3 teaspoons, but feel free to adjust it to your taste. And finally salt to bring out all the flavors and balance the natural sweetness. Mix well to combine. For the wet ingredients, I'm using soy milk with a teaspoon of vinegar. The acidity activates baking soda and creates a simple vegan buttermilk for extra tender muffins. Next are the very ripe bananas with plenty of brown spots for the best flavor and sweetness. First, slice one banana into little coins to use as a topping. The remaining ends go into the blender along with the rest of the bananas. Then add the dates for natural sweetness, sunflower oil for a moist texture and vitamin E, the curdled soy milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend everything until smooth, then pour the mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is combined and you no longer see large patches of flour. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Finally, gently fold in the chopped walnuts. They pair beautifully with banana and cinnamon and add a nice crunch. Walnuts are also a great source of healthy fats. Divide the batter evenly between the muffin cups, filling each about 3/4 full. Press a banana coin into the center of each muffin and bake for 25 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. Once baked, let the muffins cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, then carefully run a spoon around the edges to lift them out. They turn out beautifully soft, fluffy, and incredibly satisfying. Let them cool a little longer if you can resist, and enjoy!